Thanks to Jason at Magnolia Tire Pros and Auto Service for the professional installation of our Sensen rear shocks. We always recommend you go to professional for this type of repair. However, this one was fairly simple with the right tools. Today, we are replacing a set of rear shocks on a 2005 PT Cruiser. This set fits the 2001 to 2010 PT Cruiser, all models. We recommend using Sensen shocks and struts when replacing your worn-out shocks. Sensen shocks and struts come with a limited lifetime warranty. They are benchmark tested against industry leaders for quality and designed to meet or exceed original equipment specifications. Sensen has been manufacturing shocks and struts since 1985. They use Japanese NOK seals for superior leak resistance and come with a premium powder-coated finish to provide a long-lasting corrosion and rust protection. The Sensen brand is where quality meets affordability. Some of the tools needed for this installation include a 19mm socket to remove the lug nuts, an 18mm socket for the bottom bolt, and a 15mm socket to remove the top bolt.
Raise it up and brace this. So when I take that off, it don't drop. Bottom bolt first. It is an 18. Check the nut. There is no nut. It is welded, so you don't got to worry about that. Alright, that's free. This one here. That is going to be a 15mm. Start that one. See where we're at. That's pretty close.
How you doing? I have time with that. You gonna make it? They got some of you know how to change it to the sports stuff on it. That's what they got on there now. Like they got adjustable. These are hands on handbags. Put that corner switch on in there. Put that plate on the top. And then my handbag got that.
I'm going to tighten the top. Let's see her. Remove this.
This concludes our rear shock installation on a 2005 Chrysler PT Cruiser. Be sure to look for our front and complete strut assembly installation video for this vehicle. Thanks for watching, and thanks to Magnolia Tire Pros and Auto Service for their professional installation.